Hello. Today we'll start by understanding your home screen. When you turn on your iPhone, the first thing you'll see is your home screen. This is where you can find all your apps, those colorful icons that let you use your phone's features. At the top of your home screen, you'll see the time, your battery level, and sometimes the signal bars. These tell you how much charge your phone has and if you're connected to the internet. Below that, you'll find your apps. You can scroll through your apps by swiping your finger left or right on the screen. To open an app, just tap on its icon. If you want to go back to your home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. On the bottom of the screen, you'll see a row of apps that are always there. These are your favorites apps, and you can tap on them anytime you need. To move an app around or remove it, just press and hold on an app until it wiggles. From there, you can drag it to a new spot. Now, let's make it even easier to find things. Swipe down from the middle of the screen to search for apps, contacts, or anything else. And there you have it. A quick look at your iPhone's home screen. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll feel comfortable with your phone. Stay tuned for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.